Hey y'all, out here on the Grand Shamrock Ranch we got a lot of head of cattle and they got a lot of horns. And ain't none of them any louder than that factory horn on Carolyn's F750 GS. But that's about to change. Welcome back everybody to the Grand Shamrock Tour. And we don't have any cattle out here on the ranch. We don't have any horns unless it's on a car, truck, or a motorcycle. We do have a lot of antlers though, so that I do enjoy that about where we were at. But I also know that this particular bike is something Carolyn has loved and enjoys almost everything about it. The one thing that she's always had a complaint about is the factory horn. They're not very loud. But that's going to change when she installs her new Denali SoundBomb, which is going to be a simple plug and play because she's got the Hex Innovate CAN bus system. So if you'd like to stick around, I'll show you how easy that was. And if you don't have a CAN bus system, we'll give you the link to the adapter you need in order to install it to your factory BMW switch. So stick around, let's get going. Well, the install on the Denali SoundBomb on Carolyn's motorcycle couldn't be much easier. We simply had to remove one Torx bit, I believe it was a T40, and removed it and pulled off her factory horn. Now the factory horn has the OEM connector right there. Now if you're going to use the factory system, you're going to need to buy an additional connector. They don't come with the Denali SoundBomb, but what it does is it adapts the factory connection to the two spade pin that you need for the Denali SoundBomb. Now Carolyn's bike is equipped with Hex Innovate's ezCAN, and we're really glad because that makes it fairly simple for us. We abandoned the OEM connector, covered it up with some electrical tape and zip tied it off in a nice location where it won't get in the way. The OEM is now secured behind here. And then what we did is we installed the ezCAN. You can get the extension cable kits. So these cables are fantastic. They have the MT3 connectors, and this particular setup allowed us to make an adapter from the MT3 to the twin spade plugs. Now, that particular cable came with this set. This is the extension cable kit from Hex Innovate. It's got everything you're going to need, not just for this install, but for all the things you're going to want to do in the future. And once you have this set up, it's really easy to start thinking about things you want to add. Now, as far as routing it, what's great about these cables is they have that protective coating, a shielding on them that allow you to run the cables up and underneath, out of the way. We simply ran it along the subframe here and secured it with zip ties at just safe locations and routed that cable all the way through. And I'm going to go ahead and hop up here and show you how we tie it in to the ezCAN. All right, so I've ran the extension cable up from the Denali SoundBomb along the framework and tied it off with those really capable extension cables that are protected and whatever. And now we're going to get to the other part of this particular installation is that we have the CAN bus system. So if you come over here, you'll see we have the Hex Innovate ezCAN system. And we've installed it. It stays underneath the seat. It taps in to the CAN bus system here for the factory bike and creates that loop right there. And now the CAN bus system is reading in, tapped into all of the electronics on the bike. So if you have any accessories you're going to add, this is what makes it so much easier. So on this particular one, you're going to tie in with your laptop through that port right there. And that will cause the program to launch. And as Carolyn takes over this part of it, she's dedicating the yellow circuit from the ezCAN to her horn. And it's as simple as that. Once we've established the horn now is going to take on the role of the horn button is activating that through the yellow circuit. It's 1, 2, 3, and she's got everybody's attention. Now we're going to go ahead and put links to both the ezCAN, the Hex Innovate's extension cables, which there's everything you're ever going to need for all your accessories, no matter where they are. That one kit kind of does it all. And then the Denali SoundBomb, which Carolyn got one for my bike too, so I'm kind of excited. I'm going to put one on my bike. But there'll be a link in this video for you to check each and every one of those items. They really are something that we would consider something you might really enjoy having. Now that we've got your attention, and Carolyn's got your attention with her new horn, I want to thank you for coming along. Please like and subscribe. The Grand Shamrock Tour is trying to build a community for you, and Carolyn's bike is our next project. It's going to go from just a capable adventure bike to an adventure touring bike. And on that note, travel safe, and we hope to see you out on the road.
Okay, here we go. Riding by Milliken, our little Milliken shore. Back when fuel prices were $1 a gallon.